So a quick review of let's do a quick review of what is a blockchain, right? What is a blockchain? So blockchain, I tried to explain it in the previous videos, but I'm gonna just try to break it down a little bit more right now. The only thing you should understand about blockchain is, like, the technical term for it is called a ledger, right? It's a ledger that records all of the transactions in in any cryptocurrency, right? Or in any crypto coins, right? It records all of the information and is an open source. Anyone can read it. Anyone who has the facility or the technical facilities to read it can read it. Anyone that's processing transactions in the crypto world in any particular crypto can read it. So for example, Bitcoin will have its own blockchain, okay? And in other words, there's only so many Bitcoins available. So if anybody passes one Bitcoin to another person, okay, it's recorded. That transaction is recorded and is open for everyone to see. And anytime that same Bitcoin is going to transfer hands into another person's hands, just like the dollar will transfer from one person to another person's hand, right? It is recorded and everyone can see it. And what that does is that since everyone can see it and it's coded into what they call the blockchain, or the ledger that records all the transaction, since that's recorded, it becomes safe and secure for everyone, and transparent. More importantly, it's transparent, and it's supposed to reduce fraud. Now, what people usually go to is they say, hey, it reduces fraud. Let me see here. Let me make sure that yeah, we're live. Okay, it reduces fraud, but what do you mean it reduces fraud? It reduces fraud, but a lot of people use it for fraud. They use it for crazy fraudulent transactions. But actually, the truth of the matter is that the percentage of transactions in Bitcoin that are fraud are extremely lower than what you will have in your traditional fiat currency. All right, what is fiat currency? The regular currency that you know that is backed by a government, but it's not backed by gold or any kind of precious matter. Okay, that's what fiat currency is. Okay, so but the idea of a blockchain is that it's a computer ledger. It's a code. Okay, essentially it's a code and it's multiples of those ledgers. That's why they call them a blockchain, and they record transactions. So anytime a Bitcoin needs to transfer, and I'm using Bitcoin as an example, among 10,000 plus of cryptocurrency, there's just one cryptocurrency. It's recorded and it has to be verified in order to create a new transaction. That way, if I gave you a Bitcoin, it's recorded into the blockchain, and then there's no lies. Everyone can see that Bitcoin is not yours any longer because of the private keys and all the digital identification attached to that one Bitcoin, and you cannot duplicate it. Okay, and that's what blockchains are. Okay, now blockchain, I just use Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency used in exchange for goods, but there are many other usages of the blockchain technology. Okay.